Hi, today we are in Audi A3 8V and I'm going to show you how to enter the hidden engineering menu in this car. This is the control knob with the control buttons, and what we are going to do is go to the menu, so we are in the main screen. And now let's press at the same time buttons back and the upper left software key. Let's press and hold them, and after a few seconds we will see that we are in the engineering menu. This is the MIP standard European market for Audi, because the MIP devices are also installed in other brands like Volkswagen, Seat, Skoda, and we have 3 places to go over here. This is the update menu, so let's press this button. We can select a source from which we want to update our system. So let's go back. We have the upper left settings. Let's go there. We can import or export our settings if we are going to transfer the data into another car, or we want to replace the unit and backup all our personal settings before doing so. And in the upper right we have system. We have main application and activation keys. Activation keys are responsible for the optional features from this car, and the software config will show us software version of some parts of the system. We have software packages over here, what is active, what's not. There's lots of data, not really that useful to end user, but just wanted to share with you how this menu looks and how you should enter it. And to exit this menu, you can see that pressing back doesn't do a thing. So what should you do is press the back and upper left button, wait a few seconds, and it should go back to the standard screen. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you, and see you soon.